Hello everyone, myself Dr. Amit Maheshwari. Today we are going to decode remdesivir, an antiviral drug which is being tested against COVID-19 in the first clinical trial conducted in United States. Before going in the detail, please subscribe my YouTube channel, that is Biochemistry Basics by Dr. Amit, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you can get all the notifications from it. Objective for today's video are history of remdesivir, introduction to remdesivir. Third objective is nucleosides analogs, and in the end we will see mechanism of action of remdesivir. History and remdesivir drug trials. Originally, remdesivir was found during drug discovery program at Gilead to search for the inhibitors of the hepatitis C virus. Hepatitis C virus causes hepatitis, which is another RNA virus. It also exhibited potent activity against various other viruses like Ebola and Middle Eastern respiratory virus. Now the drug is being tested against SARS coronavirus 2 virus in the first clinical trial launched in United States. Introduction to remdesivir. Till now, no specific antiviral drug has been proven effective for the treatment of patients with severe coronavirus disease 2019. Remdesivir nucleoside analog prodrug has inhibitory effects on pathogenic animal and human coronaviruses, including severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2 in vitro, and inhibits Middle East respiratory syndrome coronavirus, SARS coronavirus 1 and SARS coronavirus 2 replication in the animal models. So that is regarding the introduction to remdesivir, which is a nucleoside analog prodrug. Now for the better understanding of the mechanism of remdesivir, which is a nucleoside analog, first we have to understand the structure of nucleosides and nucleotides. So each nucleoside consists of two components, nitrogenous base and pentose sugar. And the nucleotide consists of nucleoside plus phosphate. So that is regarding the structure of nucleosides and nucleotides. And this is the picture showing the structure of nucleoside. As we have discussed in the previous slide, nucleoside consists of two components, that is pentose sugar and nitrogenous base. And this nitrogenous base is attached to the pentose sugar with the help of N-glycosidic bond. This is the picture showing the basic nucleotide structure. Nucleotide are consist of three components, nitrogenous base, pentose sugar and phosphate group. There are two type of nitrogenous base are available, purine nitrogenous base and pyrimidine nitrogenous base, and there are two type of pentose sugar are available. In the RNA there is a presence of ribose pentose sugar, and in the DNA there is a presence of deoxyribose pentose sugar. So we can say that these nucleosides and nucleotides are the building blocks required for the synthesis of DNA as well as for the RNA. Now nucleoside analog. So chemically synthesized analogs of purine and pyrimidine's nitrogen base, their nucleosides and their nucleotides have therapeutic application in the medicine, and this analog can be prepared by either doing alteration in the heterocyclic ring or by altering the sugar moiety. So this is how analog is prepared. The reason nucleoside analogs and the similar group called nucleotide analog are so effective against various viral disease because they resemble the naturally occurring nucleosides, and the example of naturally occurring nucleosides are cytidine, thymidine, uridine, guanosine and adenosine. Now, mechanism of action of remdesivir as antiviral therapeutic. As we have already discussed that remdesivir is a nucleoside analog. So this nucleoside analog, it will mimic the structure of natural nucleoside so that they are recognized by viruses. And due to those structural modification, they will stop or interrupt the viral replication, which will stop the virus from the multiplying and infecting the more cells in the body. Remdesivir works by blocking the coronavirus's RNA polymerase enzyme. This RNA polymerase enzyme is the key enzyme required by the viruses to synthesize its genetic material, which is RNA, and it also required for its proliferation in the human body. So remdesivir works by blocking this RNA-dependent RNA polymerase enzyme. Another thing that is present in the structure of remdesivir is an altered version of natural building block adenosine. This adenosine is essential for the synthesis of DNA as well as RNA. This is the picture showing the comparison between the structure of adenosine as well as remdesivir. So by comparing the structure of remdesivir with adenosine, there are three key modifications are available in the structure of remdesivir, which makes it effective against coronavirus. So we will discuss these three modifications one by one. So the first modification is there is a presence of CN group or cyano group in the structure of remdesivir, which is attached to the sugar. So as there is a presence of this CN group, so whenever remdesivir is incorporated into the RNA growing chain, the presence of this CN group will cause the alteration in the shape of the sugar, which in turn distorts the shape of the RNA strand such that only three more nucleotides can be added. So that will terminate the production of RNA strand. So that is the first key modification which is present in the structure of remdesivir. Second key modification which is present in the structure of remdesivir is there is a presence of carbon-carbon bond. There is a presence of carbon-carbon bond instead of carbon-nitrogen bond in the structure of remdesivir. So this is critical to the success of this remdesivir drug because coronavirus have a special enzyme that recognizes unnatural nucleosides and it remove them. But by but because in the remdesivir there is a presence of carbon-carbon bond, this remdesivir cannot be removed by the enzyme and allowing it to stay in the growing chain and block the replication. So that is the second key modification which is present in the remdesivir. First one was the presence of CN group. Second one is the carbon-carbon bond, and the third key modification which is present in the remdesivir is the nucleotide prodrug. So remdesivir as it is administered is not the actual active drug. It is actually a prodrug, which means it must be modified once in the body before it becomes active drug. So that is the meaning of prodrug. Prodrug are used for many reasons, including protecting a drug until it reaches its site of action. The active form of remdesivir contains 3-phosphate group in the structure. It is this form that is recognized by the virus's RNA polymerase enzyme. These are the three key modifications which is present in the structure of remdesivir, which makes it effective against coronavirus. First one is there is a presence of CN group. Second one is there is a presence of CC bond, and the third one it is a prodrug. So that is all about mechanism of action of remdesivir. These are my references. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe Biochemistry Basics by Dr. Amit, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you can get all the notifications from it. Thank you.